Welcome to Creata Classes. This is our 21st lecture under the quadrilateral series, and in this lecture we will cover our 6th question. The question is, refer the figure. ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. AD bisects exterior angle PAC and CD is parallel to AB. Show that first angle DAC is equal to angle BCA and second ABCD is a parallelogram. Let's refer the figure. ABC is given as an isosceles triangle. This is the triangle ABC and AB is equal to AC. Further, in the question it is given as AD is bisector of angle PAC. Means these two angles will be equal to each other. That is, angle PAD will be equal to angle DAC. Why? Because AD is bisector of angle PAC. Let's give the name to angle PAD as angle 1 and angle DAC as angle 2, just for simplicity. So these are angle 1 and angle 2. Further, ABC is an isosceles triangle and we know the angles opposite to the equal side of an isosceles triangle are equal to each other. That is, AB is equal to AC and the angle opposite to these equal sides are angle ABC and angle ACB. So both of these angles will be equal to each other. For simplicity, let's give the name to angle ACB as angle 3 and angle ABC as angle 4. So angle 3 is equal to angle 4. So till now we have got angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. We have to show angle DAC is equal to BCA. That is, we have to show angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Let's prove the same. For the triangle ABC, angle PAC will be the exterior angle for this triangle. And we have seen the exterior angle of the triangle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. Means angle PAC will be equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. And we know angle PAC is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. And we know angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Let's replace the angle. So we got twice of angle 2 is equal to twice of angle 3. That is, angle 2 is equal to angle 3. We have proved the first part of the question. In the second part, we have to show ABCD is a parallelogram. Let's isolate the quadrilateral ABCD. So this is a quadrilateral ABCD. We have to show this quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. So how to prove a quadrilateral as a parallelogram? We have to prove the opposite sides of this quadrilateral are parallel to each other. And in this question, CD is given as parallel to AB. One side is given as parallel to each other. If somehow we are able to prove AD is parallel to BC, then we can say ABCD is a parallelogram. And while solving the proof of the theorems, we have seen that we have to use the transversals to prove the opposite sides as parallel to each other. If we assume AC as transversal for line AD and BC, we can say angle 2 and angle 3 are the pair of alternate interior angles. And we have just proved angle 2 is equal to angle 3. And we have just proved alternate interior angles are equal. And we know alternate interior angles are equal when the lines are parallel to each other. That is, AD is parallel to BC. Okay. So we have proved the opposite pair of sides are parallel to each other. So we can say ABCD is a parallelogram. Note for students, in the question wherever we have to prove the given quadrilateral is a parallelogram, we can prove so by using the properties of the parallelogram. And one of the important property of the parallelogram is the opposite sides are parallel to each other. So somehow if we are able to prove the opposite sides are parallel to each other, then we can easily show the quadrilateral is a parallelogram. And how to prove the opposite sides as parallel to each other? We have to use the transversal. Any of the pair of angles, like in this case the alternate interior angles are equal to each other, then the lines will be parallel. So you should have a strong hold on transversals. So that is the fundamental in this question. So that's it for this lecture. For more information, visit our website creataclasses.com. The link is given in the description. So thank you very much for being with Creata Classes. Bye for now.